Welcome, cosmic explorers. Today, we're venturing beyond our solar system to uncover 10 strange planets that will leave you both fascinated and frightened. These celestial wonders defy imagination and push the boundaries of what we thought possible. Strap in as we embark on an interstellar journey through the most bizarre corners of our universe. From planets made entirely of diamonds to worlds where it rains molten glass sideways, each of these discoveries offers a glimpse into the extraordinary and often terrifying realms that lie beyond our earthly home. Ready to explore the unknown? Let's dive in. One, J1407b, an exomoon or a Saturn on steroids. J1407b has been referred to as a Saturn on steroids, or Super Saturn, due to its massive system of circumplanetary rings, which is about 640 times that of Saturn's rings. It is an exoplanet located 434 light-years from Earth in the constellation of Centaurus and is the only known exoplanet with rings similar to Saturn. If this planet swapped places with Saturn, its rings would dominate the Earth's sky and appear many times larger than a full moon. There is a large gap halfway through the ring system, and a Mars-sized exomoon may orbit the planet within this gap. If aliens live on this exomoon, they have an extraordinary view looking up into the sky. 2. HD 189733b, where it rains glass. HD 189773b is slightly larger than Jupiter in our solar system and is about 62 light-years away from Earth. This cool-looking planet gets its deep, beautiful azure color from its strange atmosphere, which is made up mostly of silicate atoms and particles. The planet's wind speeds can reach as high as 5,400 miles per hour, around 2 kilometers per second, 7 times faster than the speed of sound. Temperatures can also reach over 900 degrees Celsius, 1,652 degrees Fahrenheit, on the planet. What is horrid and frightening about this planet is that it literally rains glass sideways, along with unbearably fast winds. If this storm was somehow to occur at Earth's equator, it would travel around the Earth in just 5.5 hours. 3. WASP-12b, a planet that's eating up light. WASP-12b is one of the darkest known exoplanets. The planet's day side eats light rather than reflecting it into space. This weird planet, which is twice the size of Jupiter, has the unique ability to trap at least 94% of the visible starlight falling into its atmosphere. The day side hoards all the visible light because it always faces its star. The temperature of its atmosphere is a soaring 4,600 degrees Celsius, 8,312 degrees Fahrenheit. This oddball exoplanet is one of a class of so-called hot Jupiters that orbit very close to their host star and are heated to enormous temperatures. The planet orbits so close to its host that it has fixed day and night sides. WASP-12b completes an orbit once a day. The night side is much cooler, with temperatures roughly 2,200 degrees Celsius, 3,992 degrees Fahrenheit, which allows water vapor and clouds to form. A swirl of material from the planet's superheated atmosphere spills onto its star. 4. PSRB 162026b, almost as old as the universe. At an estimated age of 13 billion years, this cool planet is more than twice as old as Earth's 4.5 billion years. It's about as old as a planet could be. It formed around a young, sun-like star barely 1 billion years after the birth of our universe during the Big Bang. The ancient planet has had a remarkable history because it resides in an unlikely, rough neighborhood. It orbits a peculiar pair of burned-out stars in the crowded core of a cluster of more than 100,000 stars. 5. TRES 2b, darker than coal. TRES 2b, also known as Kepler-1b, is an enigmatic gas giant orbiting its star, GSC 03549-02811, roughly 750 light-years from Earth. This planet is an abyss of darkness, reflecting less than 1% of the starlight that strikes it, making it blacker than the darkest coal. Its oppressive, pitch-black atmosphere is believed to contain light-absorbing chemicals like vaporized sodium and potassium, along with gaseous titanium oxide, which devour almost all incoming light. The temperature on TRES 2b exceeds 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit, but this searing heat provides no comfort. Instead, it fuels terrifying storms of molten rock and iron, unseen in the smothering darkness. Occasionally, fleeting flashes of ghostly red light, caused by these brutal storms, offer the only respite from the planet's relentless blackness. Tres 2b is a world where the very notion of light and hope is extinguished, leaving an eternal, terrifying night. 6. PSRJ 1719-1483b orbits around a pulsar. PSRJ 1719-1483b, a bizarre and haunting world, orbits a pulsar, a rapidly spinning neutron star emitting deadly beams of radiation. Located about 4,000 light-years away, this planet is a desolate diamond wasteland, forged under unimaginable pressure. The pulsar, PSRJ 1719-1483, rotates hundreds of times per second, creating intense gravitational forces and radiation that would obliterate any semblance of life. The planet itself, composed largely of crystalline carbon, endures these hostile conditions in a twisted dance of destruction and survival. Every moment on PSRJ 1719-1483b is bathed in the relentless, blinding flashes of the pulsar's radiation, a reminder of its nightmarish existence in one of the universe's most extreme environments. 7. WASP-17b moving in the opposite direction. WASP-17b is a cosmic aberration, a gas giant 1,000 light-years away that orbits its star in the opposite direction of the star's rotation. This retrograde motion hints at a violent past, possibly a catastrophic collision. Twice the size of Jupiter but with a ghostly, low-density atmosphere, WASP-17b endures searing temperatures above 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit and relentless storms. Its eerie, pale appearance and unnatural orbit make it a chilling testament to the universe's capacity for chaos and destruction. 8. Gliese 436b, the fiery ice world defying the laws of physics. Gliese 436b is a Neptune-sized exoplanet located approximately 33 light-years away in the constellation Leo. It orbits very close to its parent star, Gliese 436, with a year lasting only about 2.6 Earth days. Due to its close proximity, Gliese 436b is subjected to intense heat, with surface temperatures estimated to be around 439 degrees Celsius, 822 degrees Fahrenheit. This extreme heat would prevent any form of water ice from existing on the planet's surface. Instead, the planet is believed to be composed of a mixture of hydrogen, helium, and possibly heavier elements like water, methane, and ammonia in the form of hot gases or liquid at deeper layers. 9. Corot 7b, the planet where it snows rocks. Is the idea of raining glass not weird or scary enough for you? How about snowing rocks? For that, you'd need to head 489 light-years away from Earth to Corot 7b. Once again, what we have here is another exoplanet that is too close to its host star for comfort. In this case, the result is a bizarre and destructive atmosphere. On the side of Corot 7b facing its host star, the surface gets so hot, around 4,000 Fahrenheit, that rocks melt, and lava evaporates and falls like water. The resulting stone clouds form and condense on the cooler side facing away from the star, where it rains or snows large rocks. 10. HD 106906, its formation remains a mystery. HD 106906b is one of the weirdest planets located 300 light-years from Earth in the constellation of Crux. It orbits its star at a distance of 60 billion miles, approximately 96 billion kilometers, which is 20 times the distance between the Sun and Neptune. It is estimated to be about 11 times the mass of Jupiter. It is unknown how this planet formed or how it came to have such a distant orbit from its star. Despite being so far from the warmth of its star, this gas giant still has a scorching surface temperature of 1,500 degrees Celsius, 2,732 degrees Fahrenheit, and still glows in the infrared spectrum from the residual heat left over from its formation. We've reached the end of our cosmic journey, but the universe is vast, and countless mysteries remain. These 10 strange planets remind us how little we truly know and how much there is still to discover. Which planet fascinated or terrified you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed our interstellar adventure and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of the universe. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on our latest explorations. Until next time, keep looking up and stay curious.